if you want good stuff and you don't want to pay that crazy price, these are the kind of bags that you go for.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Musa if you're new, and if you're returning, thank you and welcome back. In today's video I have this right here. I love this. Some of you might actually know the brand. I was not familiar with this brand. Here is the brand name. I wasn't familiar with this brand. I was looking for a bag in this color. I've been searching around. The reason for that was the fact that I have been using a bag this particular color for years from Zara. Let me show you the bag now. This is the bag that I've been using from Zara for years, right? And I have been using this on a daily basis, be it I'm dropping the kids off, I'm going shopping, because I live a very sort of like laid back life. And I'm a mom. See that gorgeous. It goes with everything, guys. You can see here, this one is really getting old. I'm still using it every now and then, but look, grained leather there. My darlings, sometimes it's not where you buy the bag, it is how the bag is made. And if a bag is well crafted, the stitching, like this one from Zara, I don't know why Zara doesn't make good quality bags like this, because this is very old. It's like maybe 2015 or 14, I can't remember, but I've been using it since then, you know. Let me show you the inside. It's just plain like that. Can you see it has the Zara thing in there? And really that was the reason why I was looking for a bag that color, and it's because it goes well with almost everything I wear. So let me just show you how this bad boy right here looks like. No, I can't push it back, can I? Yes, I'm just opening it right now. And listen, if you find yourself not liking this right here, then I don't know what you like, you know. Let's see, guys. I don't know if the color is the same. Let's see with the Zara one. Ooh, very similar. Bring it forward, guys, for you. Oh, this bag is by a French designer called Claudie Pierlot, and yeah, some of her items can be found on Farfetch, and if you are here in Ireland, you can find this at Brown Thomas. I was just looking for this color and this popped up, and this was actually bought a couple of months ago, and I was like, you know what, I am not going to waste my time. I will take you with me. I ordered online, click and collect, went to collect. Grained leather. Let me just stop rambling, guys. Grained leather here. Let me bring it closer. Look at that. Look at this. Oh my god. With the gold hardware there, you can see that. The leather, guys, the stitching, guys, on this bag, it's gorgeous, and the strap is beautiful as well with 4 holes. You can adjust it to suit yourself, and that's the bag. It has the designer's name there, Claudie Pierlot, and look at the handles, guys. Top handles, and that is how it closes, right? Oh my god, let me just show you the bag first before I open it. That's just how it looks like. Let's see the front. And then this right here, it's nothing, it's not, there's no pocket in there, okay, it's just the design. And then you go like this. Look at that. Really, look at that. And it has this gold hardware here, it has the designer name as well. If you don't want to carry it as a crossbody like I usually do, my darlings, look at this. You're out and about. You are out and about and you're feeling yourself. You know those days when you're feeling yourself and you just want to be wearing a lovely dress. It's summer. I tell you, this color goes with everything. Trust me. Okay, now let me show you. This is how it opens, okay? So the opening, it has sort of like 2 magnets there, and on the inside there by the side to close, to help it close. I'll just take these ones out quickly. Oh, and we put them on the floor. I'll pick them up when we finish. Okay, there we go. That's the bag inside. It has two compartments and a little pocket there for maybe your keys if you want. That's the inside. Let me show you guys. Oh, it's gorgeous, spacious as well. I think it's bigger than the Zara one. I feel like in this one I could actually have tons of things, and that's how it is when you close it without any thing in there. So I'm just gonna show you most of the things that I carry on a daily basis, how they would fit in here. All right, just give me a sec. The items that I usually carry with me almost every day. Maybe one, if I'm not wearing foundation, I don't take it with, but all of the items here is what I would want a bag that I use to be able to carry most days, right? So I'll show you now. I will start with, you see this right here? It's very thick. You see there? That's my wallet. It has all the cards in there, and it goes in there like that. Perfect. And I usually carry my powder from Chanel also. It goes in there like that. And you see, with the powder from Chanel, I don't like it sitting sideways. I always, let me show you. See, that's just how it is in there. See, it sits like that so that the powder won't be coming out all of it. I carry that stuff with me when I'm wearing foundation because I have very oily skin, right? And I have my phone here. It's iPhone XR, and I have my pouch for the glasses in case I take them off or maybe I want to clean them. I have a little cleaning thing there, you know, because remember the Chanel powder is at the bottom, and I made it sit like this, so it's taking most of the space. But on a day where I'm not wearing foundation, that powder comes out, we still have enough space. But nonetheless, watch this. These are my car keys, right? I will put them right there, and I usually carry this with me. This is just a nail, a cuticle oil. We know about this Rimmel lip gloss. This is the second one. The first two are finished. I just got this one yesterday, and my AirPods with my initials there. I don't know, this camera today is not focusing. I need to set certain things up again. That's my AirPods there. See how everything is sitting in there? There is no situation in there. Everything is seated properly, and now I am going to show you how I would carry this. Right, look, easy peasy. There we go, guys. I don't know what to say, to be honest with you. Like, I love this bag. I love this bag. I feel like these are the type of bags that you, let me not say anything, because you know, these people also, when we talk too much online, they now just go crazy with their prices. They go nuts with their prices. If you give me a bag like this under 500 euros, I wouldn't mind to pay for this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is by Claudie, Pierlot, and let me say this, I am not trying to promote anyone here. I am only sharing with you what I found and what I like, okay? Just keep that in mind. Because, hey, if you want good stuff and you don't want to pay that crazy price, these are the kind of bags that you go for. Look at this. I was carrying this bag. I was off last week. I went to the city. I was in Dublin city. I came across a few ladies, and these ladies were like, where did you get this bag, and what is the name of the bag? And I was like, you know, and really that was one of the things, because I buy a lot of things but I don't share because I don't have the time. That was one of the things that made me, when I came home that day, I was like, oh, maybe this could actually be of benefit to someone out there that is looking for a good quality designer bag without those crazy prices. This is what we are talking about. I'll let the bag just talk for itself, guys. So here we are, Claudie, Pierlot, and like I said, it has adjustments there for if you want, really, if you're nicely dressed, wearing a lovely dress, summertime, going somewhere, or should we say I don't know. I don't know. All right, guys, I think we have gotten to the end of our video today. If you like moi, if you like what moi is doing here, let's click the subscribe button. I have a few people that came to this channel and they left lovely comments. Thank you so much, and you are more than welcome to stick around here. I will be seeing you in my next video, guys. Bye bye for now.